What's up, guys? Today I want to show you how to revert Outlook's look back to its default look. So if that sounds useful, please subscribe. So we're in Outlook here, and it's got this very stylized, very dark sort of theme and background. So what we're going to do is come up here to View. We're going to click that. It's going to change sort of these options at the top here. Go to View Settings, and we're going to go down to General. Click on that. And then that's opening up this right here. We're going to go to Appearance. And here we can kind of change it to however we want. If we want to choose a new theme, a new background, we can go ahead and click stuff here. And this is using our system settings. So that's why it's choosing the more dark theme. I kind of have all my settings set to the dark theme in the Windows settings. So the original setting is right here, the light theme. And then the original also has no image in the background. So if you don't want an image, you can go ahead and click a color right here, and then you have your themes over here. So we're on the classic theme, but if you want to change this, you can. And then there's some more settings down here too if you want to have colorful app icons and all that stuff. So yeah, and then just click save and exit out. So now Outlook is looking like it does out of the box. So yeah, if that was helpful, give us a like and leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.